Okay, welcome back to the fourth video in this series. Now, many of you may be watching this because you're thinking about taking one of our NLP trainings. So let's go into a little bit more detail about what you will learn. As you observe other people, they are giving you a lot more information about how they're feeling and what they may be thinking than you're aware of consciously. What we aim to do on the training is bring more of that into your awareness so that you become more tuned in to other people. One of the things that you can observe in others is that you can tell something about how someone's thinking from how they move their eyes. It's really useful for a number of things. One of which is to ensure that the information that someone's giving you verbally is consistent with the other information that they're giving you non-verbally. Once you're better equipped to observe others, we teach you how you can build a relationship of trust with someone else at the unconscious level. It's essential no matter what you do in life. It will make your coaching and therapy sessions work brilliantly, and it will increase your success in business and even in your personal relationships. Now that you're able to observe others and build rapport, we move into bringing the use and structure of language into your awareness too. Language is a deep aspect of how we understand ourselves and how we communicate. Within the training, we teach you how to properly listen and how, as well as when, to question others. We will show you how to reframe what others say so that you can open them up to new ways of understanding where they are in their life. We go through language patterns that are useful for motivating others and for giving others positive suggestions. We will also show you how to construct stories and metaphors. Metaphors are an effective way of delivering a message of change to someone else's unconscious mind. Armed with all of these tools of communication, we then move into understanding behavior and techniques associated with change. In understanding someone's behavior, it's often important to break it down into the order and sequence of what someone is doing in their head to produce the behavior in the first place. This is what strategies is all about. It's essential in coaching, therapy, sales, and especially in modeling the excellent behavior of others. Now, some of you may have habits like snacking or nail biting that you would like to get rid of. On the training, we teach a quick technique called the swish pattern to help you let go of these. We also go through how you can help people to let go of phobias that they have, like Britain's #1 fear, which is the fear of spiders. Many of you might think the beliefs you have about yourself are something that you just can't change. You just are the way that you are. But as you go a little bit deeper into the change techniques, we will show you how to get rid of beliefs about yourself you wish you didn't have. It will only take about 15 minutes. As well as beliefs, there are techniques which help you let go of negative states, like frustration, irritation, or embarrassment, or even more major ones, like anger, sadness, fear, hurt, and guilt. You will learn to let go of these too. What that means is you can think about things which happened in the past, but without the negative feelings anymore. And in the future, you will only experience these emotions in the context that it's appropriate to feel them. This is all part of timeline therapy training, which we include on the NLP Practitioner Training. Now, have you ever had the experience of feeling that there was a part of you that was holding you back in life? Or do you ever feel conflicted? If you do, then you will learn a technique for dealing with this on the training program too. It's called parts integration, and it's a little bit of a hypnotic intervention. Finally, we teach Ericksonian hypnosis so that you can learn how to lead others into a trance to help them create positive change for themselves. We will also go through ethics, ecology, as well as goal setting on the training too. Once you are an NLP practitioner, what can you do with it? Well, you can incorporate the communication and language skills into whatever you currently do. You can help other people to create change within themselves, and you can become a professional coach yourself. Also, for those of you who want to take your studies further, doing the practitioner training opens you up to become a master practitioner and ultimately a trainer. So what's the structure of the training? When you book onto the course, we will send you pre-course study materials, which include CDs, a manual, books, which support your learning. You will also need to complete an open book test. Then, when you attend a 7-day live training, we'll go through all the theory that you need, demonstrate all the techniques, and also give you lots of hands-on practical experience too. So that when you leave the training, not only will you be certified in NLP, timeline therapy, and hypnosis at the practitioner level, you will also feel confident in your ability to use all of these new NLP skills. On our next video, we'll talk about one of the principal uses of NLP, which is in coaching. So I'll see you then.